All right, language explorers. Let's look at this week's Wednesday adjective. American. American. Being from the USA. From the USA. So it is an American music band. Or band. Yes. Or they are Americans, American people. These are American books. American books. How cool is that? So, he is an American actor. American actor. I am not American. You see, I am not American, yeah? But he is American. See, he is American. I'm not American. Yeah. She was the first American actress. She was the first American actress. Not any actress. She was the first American actress. That was the first American city I went to. Yeah, New York City. New York City, yeah. The first American city I went to. How cool is that? Yeah, how cool is that? Yeah, so I am American. Yeah, you are American. They are American. He is American. She is American. It is American. Yeah. It is an American song. It is an American song. She is an American actress, singer, dancer, performer, teacher, for example. He is an American pilot. A pilot from planes. You are an American listener, perhaps. So someone listening, he's an American listener, American visitor. You are an American listener, American visitor. And I am an American man, for example, you could say. Yeah, you could say. Yeah. Yeah. How cool is that? So, that was the first American invention. This device was the first American invention of its kind. The first American invention of its kind. How cool is that? He's building a business for the American market, for the American viewers and listeners. Yeah, we are targeting the American market. We aim to sell to American people. People, American people. How cool is that? Yeah. We need to talk to the American customers. Those people are customers, but they're American customers. I'll write for the American reader. Yeah. I need to publish books for the American publishers. Yeah. How cool is that? Different publishers to contact and write for. Yeah. How cool is that? So, I am, you are, they are, he is, she is, it is. American. From the USA. From the USA. How cool is that? Yeah, so can you use American in a sentence? Can you write that sentence in the comments below and like the video and subscribe to the channel? More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram. Just look for English with Adrian. And you can find me on Udemy too. Look for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.